The System Snapshot Dashboard is a really good way to get a quick overview of all of the different work requests and track their activity. So where do you access it? You come to Work Request System, View Snapshot Dashboard. And if I select all buildings here, and instantly I get an overview of the job distribution. So you can see the legend down here, so a quick snapshot. I also get to see the job priority distribution and see that there actually are 5 jobs currently that are identified as very urgent. And if I drill down and I just click on air conditioning for the whole school here, I can scroll down and I can look at all of the current jobs and the new jobs and those that are in progress and be able to view that from the comfort of my desk. And I can see that there are an awful lot of jobs that have been logged in the system relating to air conditioners in the school. Now, if I want to drill down further, I can look at the Adams building in particular. And again, quick snapshot of the job distribution, priorities, but now I can come and look at the aged report. And I can see that there are 64 jobs that are 90 days or older sitting in the system. And by clicking on that, I then can come and have a look at all of the jobs that relate to air conditioning, drains, cleaning, emergency and exit lights, and see that it goes on for many, many pages. So what this enables property managers or business managers to do is to have really significant oversight of all of the jobs. And in this particular situation in the Adams building, really start to think, given the number of jobs that are related to that particular building, whether it needs to be refurbished or whether there needs to be a whole new development undertaken. And then finally, I can also track the contractors, the number of contractors that are currently on site. And at present, it's showing 0.